Pom-pom earrings are a fun and creative way to add a pop of color and texture to any outfit, whether you're making them as a DIY project or for personal use. These playful accessories are lightweight, customizable, and perfect for expressing your unique style with just a few simple materials. Let's get started. You will need 2-inch pom-pom balls, 1-inch small pom-pom balls, jump rings, earring hooks, strong thread, and a needle to create your fun, colorful earrings. Cut a piece of strong thread using scissors, making sure it's long enough to sew through both pom-poms and create a secure connection for your playful earring design. Insert the thread into the needle, then pull it through until both ends are even. Fold it to make a double thread and tie a secure knot at the end. Make a double knot at the end of the thread for a strong hold, ensuring the pom-poms stay securely in place when stitched together for your pom-pom earrings. Cut the excess thread using scissors, making sure not to trim too close to the knot to maintain a secure hold. Insert the needle into the center of the big pom-pom ball, pushing through gently to avoid distorting its fluffy shape. Don't worry, the knot will stay secure and won't slip through the pom-pom ball due to its thick, fluffy texture. Insert the needle into the center of the small pom-pom ball, then pull the thread gently until the small pom-pom sits neatly on top of the big one. Set the pom-poms aside. Take the needle and insert it through the closed jump ring. Make sure to twist the thread twice around the ring for a secure hold. Insert the needle one more time back through the jump ring and into the small and big pom-pom ball for reinforcement. Repeat the same process by inserting the needle again from the big pom-pom ball, through the small pom-pom and into the jump ring, then gently pull the thread tight. Pass the needle back up through the small pom-pom into the large one. Repeat this stitch 2 to 3 times for a firm hold. Then, thread once more through both pom-poms and the jump ring about 4 times to reinforce. At the end of the big pom-pom ball, make a tight knot to secure the thread in place, ensuring your pom-pom earring holds firmly and stays intact. Cut the excess thread using scissors, being careful not to trim too close to the knot to keep it secure. Open a jump ring using flat nose pliers. Insert it into the jump ring attached to the small pom-pom. Add the earring hook to the same jump ring, then close it tightly and securely. Check your earring carefully for any loose jump rings or gaps. Make sure all connections are secure so the earring stays strong and holds up during wear. You can mix and match different pom-pom colors to suit your creativity and personal style, making each pair of earrings unique, fun, and perfect for any occasion. You can create more colorful earrings by using the same technique, simply switching pom-pom colors to match your outfit or mood. As you can see, it's a fun and easy project that lets you express your creativity with minimal materials and effort. I hope you enjoyed this project and had fun creating your own colorful pom-pom earrings. Stay creative and keep exploring new DIY jewelry ideas. Thanks for joining me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and creative DIY designs coming your way every week.